Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I usually always send a little warning every year at some point in time for scams that can happen online. And of course, with Black Friday, this is the time where scammers are alert. So this video is not to tell you if you buy something, if you got scammed because the price wasn't right. This is not the type of scam I'm talking about. There's a lot going on with that. Be careful. A lot of the big gun manufacturers and companies and stores that are online try to lure you into big deals and specials. And if you actually carefully look at the price and the price throughout the year, a big majority of everything that you have on sale isn't really a sale. It is often at that price throughout the year. But besides that, I'm talking more of those that are trying to lure you into some shady places. One of the best places for Black Friday scams right now, Facebook ads. There's a lot of scams that are going through Facebook ads, which is kind of not cool and shows how shady Facebook is at some point. And, they're going to lure you into, Black Friday deal. We've got a warehouse full of laptops for only $30. And, they have like these incredible specs. Look, you don't have a $30 laptop. It doesn't exist that you have a $30 laptop with great specs. It doesn't work like that. That is not true. These are scams. Email is a big place for scams. You could get some spam. And now they're actually able to go beyond the filters because they use images with text in them. And so they bypass the scam, the filters, and so basically they get into your inbox and will lure you in with, we got this Black Friday deal. If you purchase something here through a link that they're going to give you, $500 Walmart gift card or whatever. Doesn't happen. Do not click anything that is a site that you've never visited. You don't know what it is. Through email, through Facebook. And you know what? Just go to your standard, well-known stores, online stores, and so on to buy and purchase stuff. Don't click links, and do not believe all the scammers out there right now that try to lure you into prices that are too good to be true, because if it's too good to be true, it is. It's simple. There's no miracle in here. So a lot of people, unfortunately, get caught by these. And be careful also when you shop online for Black Friday and for Christmas coming up also. Not to go to shady websites, buy stuff. Be careful to, use your credit card responsibly and to websites that are official places where you can purchase, not into places you have no idea where you are. So stay safe, and happy Thanksgiving to American friends, as here in Canada was last month. And be safe on Black Friday. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.